essential part of every person's life. And even from childhood, we are living in a family. But there are two systems of family in India. They are joint family and nuclear family. Joint family is an extended family in which everyone living under the same roof. In joint family, there will be grandmother, grandsister, siblings. 2 to 3 generations are living together, and there will be the exact 100% of development to 2 to 3 generations in the forwardness. And in a joint family, there will be unity among the people, and one can depend on the others.
In the joint family, preference of youngsters is given, but in the joint family, everyone is cared and everyone is taken equal importance. And if anyone, for example, if there is any widow in the, she is neglected by the society, but in the joint family, she is cared and given equal importance.
So joint family, in joint family there will be caring for children from childhood, and there will be dependence to one another. The all elders are respected in the joint family, and there will be politeness, and the traditions are developed and the cultures are developed from the joint families.
Excuse me, just one second. That you are saying that joint family is great. So what I want to say is that the nuclear family is derived from joint family because they divided from the joint family. They will have more response on their family, and they have the perfection to lead their family in a perfect manner, and they are very useful to our society.
And having a nature of facing a problem bravely, that means if we are in a dangerous position, no one is there. We have to face the problem. At the time, we have that ability to make a perfect decision and living peacefully in the society without causing any disturbances to the others, and without throwing our life into the problem, and save the economical resource. The name itself indicates the nuclear family. As we are familiar with nuclear energy, with a small nuclear source, we can create wonderful power. Likewise, nuclear family is small, but it can build our nation and develops economically.
And also in joint family.
Why? Because in the joint family, everyone is cared. I told you before, yes. But if we got a problem, everyone can solve that easily with the experience.
Just think naturally. The present day is the joint family. In the joint family, the grandfather or his father, he is ruling the
experience, right?
he
So
is
he can
ruling
solve
the
the
family.
problem.
He is ruling the family there in joint family. He will only think that my words should be listened by the others. There is no chance to tell our opinion because
All will not be like that.
So all families will not be like that, but one man will be given the importance in the family, so that he can make easy decisions on every important task, even for the family. But everyone can express their feelings at that man, as he is the elder, and he can express his feelings towards him.
as we come to income in joint family, there is
There will be sharing among them. There will be sharing of the income in the
but
joint family.
some will think
But they
that
will
for that family, why do we have to earn? So
that is
nuclear
not-
families, there is no that such type
So
of
in order to
family.
control this manners, elder is given, elder will be there in the joint family, and he can then take the decisions in order to, if anyone wanted the problem, has any problem with the money, the elder will take care of the money problems.
Yeah, I'm saying also that only the elders will play the main role in that, but it will not the other persons.
As Deepak said that, Sushmita said that perfection will come from there's only their problems only, right? But that perfection will learn from elders only, right? We learn how to face a problem. We don't we cannot solve a problem without an experience. And without our elders' solution, since our children will learn things which are helpful to us from our parents only. We have a right guidance in joint family. We learn how to manage a problem or how to manage a situation. It depends upon our elders' suggestions, and
Even they encourage, the elders will encourage us a lot, and
they give good suggestions to us. They do not want to spoil our lives. They want to make us as a bright in our society. As you said,
they guide us. Here 60 members of people here, 55 members, 50 to 55 members, they are nuclear family. They are taking decisions individually. As I was said, Jyoti ma'am also a nuclear family, Hari sir also nuclear family. They are guiding their children very good manner. They expense very good manner. They are providing the children very good facilities. All are said, joint family were guiding, not nuclear family were also guiding the people in good manner.
In nuclear family, women also benefited very much because in nuclear family, the burden of the woman is become very less. So the woman is offered to perform her extracurricular activities and develop her extracurricular activities by performing in other activities. But in joint family, it is not possible.
Even it's possible because
Some parents are not allowed to send their women to do job and etc. But in nuclear family, it was not possible. In nuclear family, women are doing job and etc.
because of their personal budget or their expenditure, they went off a job. But in joint family, all are stayed together on one roof, and the men in the joint family will work, and they treated their wives as a princess in house.
Here also they are treating the princess
But
as
why
a
in
princess.
their house they tend to have jobs, like?
They are earning more money, they are giving more facilities, they are giving more
But they are
children.
struggling.
They are
They are
giving
their
comfortability up to the family or not. They are giving comfortability to the family
Without
or
any
not.
struggle,
Without any
it's not
struggle.
possible.
Without any
But
struggle.
here the wives are not working. They're
They always see their children, they work for their children.
Here-
they have also reason that
Here there are two women where they are struggling, they are serving to the all family members. Here only one woman, they can given a more time to spend with their children and
in joint
more time.
family work will be divided to each one.
Here work will be
Here
less,
work will
here
be
work
less.
will be less, and she
has to
can spend more time with the
one
children.
person have to do all their work. But in joint family, the work will be divided to each one, and
Your
each
work
one
will be less, not your work will be very less.
Yeah, because they are small family, right?
They are very
joint family,
comfortable,
they work
right?
for joint family,
They are very
work for all their
comfortable like this
persons in
one.
life.
They are very comfortable in this life.
Today in India there are so many nuclear families compared to the joint families because of the family members. They are divided into people, and their strength is also very less. In the world, every people will depend on others. In nuclear family, there are no people to depend on the others. Whereas in joint family, there are some other persons who help us in many ways, like in financial or any other else. And the traditional values are also very well in the joint family.
But in nuclear family, you can adapt the ruling and handling the situations. Like there are so many. But in order to in the nuclear family also you can adapt. But in the ratio of 1:4 in the nuclear family, in the joint family there is 1:9. There is more.
You said the 2 points, financial and culture, right? In past, maybe joint family is very good in joint family because today joint family there are so many so many elders like grandfather. So there are different people's job, different type of jobs. One got 60,000, one got 70,000, one got 30,000, one got 15,000. So he's not comfortable in the joint family because the person who got 60,000 in their family, they want to buy a car or an AC. But the person in the same family got 50,000. They want to said they don't have a capacity to buy a car. So in that both are suffering, struggling in joint family. When come nuclear family, they have no financial support. Whatever they use, their money they use for their purpose. If they want to buy a car, they want to buy a car. If they are not supposed to, they are not supposed to. So they depend on financial. And in culture, nuclear family means there is no culture. Nuclear family is just deviated from joint family, not deviated from culture, tradition, respect. We are all belongs to nuclear family. Definitely we all have a culture. Everyone follow culture. India, most of the nuclear families follow culture only. Then only India is Indian culture we have to
But now
serve.
it is not going on. comparing to the old to now, there is so much difference between of the culture. Today girls are wearing jeans and all that. That way they are suffering from some problems.
In Rajasthan, there are so many nuclear families, but they are following the culture. That depends on the nuclear family. That depends on the head of the family.
If there are joint families, there is more culture and we can settle our life in a better way.
Not depends on the family. It depends on the individual person.
In nuclear family also, for example, take one nuclear family in that every Sunday go to movie, every month go to.
In joint
It is
families
possible.
also
It is not possible to go to every Sunday we go to movie.
Not only every
We have to
Sunday,
use
every
our
day we can
money.
go.
How
Every day
it
is
is
a festival,
possible?
no?
It is enough to do work only.
In a festival, a group of members will join together and do the festival.
If
In
festival
joint
comes in
family,
once a year or two twice a year, but every
if there are a lot of people together, they can do the festival better.
My dear friends, there is a quote that small family is a happy family because the decisions taken in a joint family leads to argument, and this is a bad environment in that the children born in that bad environment leads to negative attitude. But while coming to the nuclear family, the decisions will be taken by only one
Already they
person.
have experience, they give good ideas and we
No, it leads to argument between them, and
But they
all
all
attitude.
discuss and decide the problem.
But in the joint family, the main drawback is the conflicts of ideas will take place because each and every individual has their own opinion.
Yes, someone will give good ideas and they discuss on that.
But each and every idea is not accepted by all. The conflicts of ideas will arise and certainly there is a dispute in them.
But if husband and wife is there, if they both are job holders, the children feel unhappy when they do job. But when elders are there, they take care of them.
But also the women in the nuclear family have implement their own ideas, and according to the ideas they can manage their home. But in coming to the joint family, they can't. They are always
more
on the
in the
edges. No, they implement their own ideas and manage it, but they can't. But in joint family, they cannot do that. They take on the edges. They can manage the children. They can also manage the family.
They express for the culture tradition and the generation also.
Without a joint family, we cannot celebrate any festivals and all. Not only festivals, every day is a festival when we are in a joint family.
Time up.